Hi, we are Ecor Design. 6 months ago, our team decided to make our own unique product for home. We wanted to make our product easy to use and versatile for any interior. After months of hard work, we are now finally ready to present you with our new unique lamp. Our night lamp is hand-assembled, hand-printed, and because of its minimalistic design, it will definitely suit any interior. Each light is equipped with a switch, which is comfortable to use, and a power connector. In the older versions shown in the pictures, the light has a DC jack standard, but we have now switched to a USB Type-C connector, which is much more innovative. No need to worry if you don't have one. USB Type-C cord and a power supply to keep the nightlight running smoothly goes complementary with the lamp. We are ready to present two types of design: basic, here it is, and a creative one. And of course, you can choose the light temperature. It can be warm white or neutral white. Basic design is available in two colors, white and black. But now there are more colors to come. Other lamps are given to artists for individual painting, so that there are no two identical lamps. Right here and right now, you have an opportunity to buy any lamp made by Ecor Design. And be sure, we guarantee that it will serve you for many, many years.